guys, so the first thing that you see when you walk right into my room is my little mirror right here. I used to use this one, but now it's just kind of there. I have a little graduation money lay that I got from when I graduated, so shout out to class of 2019. And my newest piece of art in my room is my disposable photo wall. As you can see, I'm almost finished. I plan on going just along the line there, and then I want to have like a neon sign piece right there. But I've been obsessed with taking disposables, so I've been collecting them since February of this year, and I just love how it turned out. Now, right underneath it, I have my favorite art decor in my room. My friends at Mapiful were so kind enough to send this to me, and you guys, let me tell you, I love it. I decided to customize my map with my hometown, and I don't live there anymore, but I do go back and visit ever so often because all of my other family members do live up there, so I'm always there. It's just like having a little piece of home wherever I go. So if I were to live in a college dorm, I would definitely recommend. And I got to customize this pink color right here. Got to customize my font. The story behind this map is, like I said, it is my hometown. However, it is also where my mom and dad met. This piece signifies a lot to me. If you are interested in creating your own map, Mapiful actually offers free shipping worldwide. So many choices to choose from, so I will leave all the information and links right down below in the description. Moving on right to my left side of my room, this is actually my door that leads to my sister's bathroom. We have a Jack and Jill bathroom, which, if you don't know what that means, it basically means we both have doors that connect to one bathroom. This is kind of the main focus in my room. I love how it turned out. I'm going to start off with these famous vines that you've probably seen in every Pinterest, TikTok, but I purchased these off Amazon, and I already had this gold circular mirror, as you can see. That is from Target, and I already had all these photos going along it. I just wanted the leaves to kind of go around it, so I ended up cutting them. As you can see, they go just around the photos, and I loved how it looked because I wanted that to be the center of the wall. I have pictures of myself when I was in preschool. I have photos of my family, my niece Lola, my godmother, my sister, some of my old friends, and just a bunch of girl power posts. Some of the most important females in my life are all on this wall, so I love it. Holding it together is my dresser. Please excuse that one. It has all my workout clothes, and I have too many, so it does not even close. I love the vintage look, and the old rustic gold detailing is everything. Right here, I have all of my jewelry. I have this little prism right here. Holds all of my Alex and Ani's. I have a lot. This was my cake topper from my quinceañera. It's gorgeous glass little jewelry container. I have a lot of empty boxes. You'll see I have a little empty Gucci box. I have lots of empty Vibe Season boxes, Adina's Jewels boxes. I've got lots of Vibe Season. They're my favorite jewelry company. I have some essential oils here, some of my perfumes. Again, just lots of jewelry. I have some of these bracelets that I've made. This is my favorite bracelet that I've made, and some of my subscribers, you guys actually have one identical to this but with your name on it that I sent you out, so I wear this every single day. I have my little nightlight right here. Yes, I have a nightlight. This one right here was my bouquet from my quinceañera, which was about 5 years ago. So she's 5 years old. And then both of these ones right over here are from my two older cousins' weddings. I was both a bridesmaid in them, so got those there. One of them is like 3 years old, the other one is just about to be a year old. And then this is a rose that my dad gave to me like maybe 3 or 2 Valentine's days ago. So I have that. And I have just a bunch of little knickknacks, like I said. These barrettes that I still wear that I actually have a DIY video. This is my senior prom corsage. Photo of my family and I from my quinceañera, a Polaroid of my mom and I. Continue on in this direction is the main part of my room, which is my bed. It's a little golden nightstand, which technically is just a little stool, but I use it as a nightstand, and it basically is like this tree trunk kind of esque look. This is from Target, and I have these little candle holders, which are actually from Ross, and I was obsessed with the bohemian look, and I use them as little lamps, basically. And up here, I have this little photo frame from Target that I just taped Polaroid pictures to it. I think it turned out really, really cute. I love having a bunch of photos of family members, friends, and just a bunch of memories captured, good times that I don't ever want to forget. So moving on, we have my tapestry, which is from Urban Outfitters. I love the yellow. It brings such vibrant colors into my room. But this is my bed. I have some green, yellow pillows. I love the color green right now. I don't even know why. Again, the same little lamp and tree trunk as that side. And then I have this really stunning plant. I have another one of those right here is like my little hat wall, or hats are my absolute favorite, and it's really important to display them nice so they don't get ruined. This one's my favorite one. It's from Forever 21. It's a total dupe for the Lack of Colors hats that retail for $130 plus, so yes, balling on a budget. This one, this Baker Boy hat is from H&M. My 2 bucket hats, this one's Urban and this one is Shein. All right, so right here I have my wooden desk, my pride and joy. I searched so long for the most perfect, simple desk. I believe I got this at Ross as well. So a great find. Don't be sleeping on those stores, guys. You find amazing, nice things. My little stool is from Target, and this is where I do lots of my editing. I have 2 Polaroids of Cole and I. Got a little pink Himalayan salt lamp. Have these gorgeous fresh flowers. I have my computer right here. I have a little calendar underneath. And right here, I have some more photos here of Cole and I. And behind it is all of the letters and cards that he's ever wrote for me. It's just on this little cute little fake plant that my sister actually got me. Right here I have these adorable freaking little notebooks. They are lemon. I love lemon. I have my AirPods here. I have my GoPro. I normally keep my camera right in here, my Disposey. If you're wondering which one I use, I recommend this one. It's the Fujifilm, and I always get mine at CVS. They are the best disposable cameras. Some Mod Podge here, some of these super cool wooden colored pencils, some more dead flowers. Then I have a bunch of like Teen Vogue magazines, some birthday cards for birthdays coming up, and I have this really cute summer love story little notebook. So yeah, just a bunch of stationery items. White ruffly curtains from Target. My little gold rod is also from Target. I have my cross that my grandparents gifted to me, and I have a little hanging plant here. As you can see, gold accents are very important to me. My gold long floor mirror is from Marshall's. For some reason though, everyone hates it who's ever looked at themselves in it. They say that it makes them look like very wide. I don't know, everyone hates my mirror, but I love her. So anyways, right beside it, I have this little caddy drawer thing from Marshall's, and it's just wooden, very simple, keeps all of my makeup. My closet, got a bunch of stuff in there. We don't even need to look in there, that's scary. Moving on to the last piece in my room, which are these little shelves. Those 2 shelves are both from Hobby Lobby. I kind of just have some decor pieces. I got my Polaroid, some books, a fake plant from Target, a little letterboard sign, Right here I have oh my god, love this candle. It is from Marshall's. This adorable photo of my sister Cole and I on my birthday. I had a quarantine birthday party, super fun, and I love it. It's a disposable. I've got a little LED, or not LED, but one of those little box light signs, says Bake Pray Slay. Right here I have the letter that Cole wrote to me when he asked me to be his girlfriend. And back here I have all of my sunnies. Amazing little hat hanger or hat shelf, like, I don't even know what you call this, but I got it from Target again. It has to be gold, and it holds my recent like hats that I've been wearing for the summer. So this is from Shein, this is from Nectar. I have my green little summer purse, other purse here, and sometimes when I am going to like the beach or places where I don't want to take that bag, I take this one, and I love her. Wooden little trunk. It has a bunch of stuff, like, so yeah, that's that. All right guys, that is all for my updated room tour. I really hope you guys enjoyed it, and I will leave my last year's room tour in the description down below if you're interested in seeing how my room changed. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in next week's video.